Hi, this is Joanna with Abstract Art Journal. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and paint in one of your sketchbooks. I had gotten a lot of these smaller sketchbooks with maybe only 75-pound paper, and I wanted to be able to watercolor in them. So I went ahead and got some stickers from AliExpress, flowers and plants, and I put one on one side, and then on the second side I went ahead and drew it and then painted it. Now you don't have to paint it the same color. I was trying to match the colors, but you can see here's a sticker and here's the thing. But the idea with the stickers is when you watercolor on it and if there's a sticker on the back, it doesn't warp the page. So I think that's really a great idea if you want to practice your drawing skills. I wanted to practice drawing and painting, and I had all these extra sketchbooks, and I thought that would be a really good idea. I'm going to go ahead and make a series so each time we can go ahead and draw and paint something, and then that way you can go ahead and if you want to copy this and go draw it and paint it along with me. Now, probably each time I do this, I'm going to go ahead and use a different watercolor palette. And I wanted to use my student watercolors, which I quit using when I got artist grade. But this is a great way to use your student grade watercolors that are still beautiful, and use up some of your sketchbooks that are actually that are, that aren't made for watercolor. Like this isn't made for watercolor, but I'm able to watercolor with it. And I also use my, to watercolor in this particular sketchbook, I use a water brush, because that way you can use just a very small amount of water, and it helps that. So the palette, this particular palette that I'm using is a palette I made with Jane Davenport, and also the Pastel Dreams. So the first two rows is Jane Davenport, and this last row is Pastel Dreams. And I wanted them all in one palette. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great art day.